guys, let's go through the website that I just deployed for modified interiors. This website I started developing some few months back and it is finally deployed. This is the home page, aka the landing page, and this is the hero section. As you can see, the hero section have some slides. They are made automatic and you can use these slide buttons. And here we have a section for modern design and solutions. Here we have a request button. If you click on this button, it will take you to a form where you will be able to request for services. As you can see, let's use some of these. And then here you can enter any number we have, location, and this is, let's say, painting work and residential. And then if it is urgent, you can select urgent. Let's say it is urgent because I want it to be done by. And then it is under 50k. This one is optional. Here we can say Google Search. And then we proceed ahead with submitting the request. As you can see, it is taking few seconds to submit the request successfully. So this is the backend scalability, so the submission is very fast. It doesn't keep the users waiting for the submission to go through. So as soon as you click the button, everything becomes clear. So here, this is for the request. This is for requesting quote. So it is actually free, and the admin will get back to you within 24 hours. So when you request this one, I designed an admin panel where the admin will be able to see a number of request code and also the particulars of the code. Everything that the user enters here, the admin will be able to see, and the admin will reply to the user based on what they want and how they want it. Okay, so this is the about page. This page talks about the history of interior designs, modified interiors I mean. And here you can see number of projects completed, years of experience, and also values. Here this section is for values. You can see they have a very good values. So here also you can see the reason why you should choose modified interiors. As you can see here, they have very good reasons. So yeah, as you can see here, they have the services, and these services are 100% dynamic. The admin is the one responsible for this. They can edit, they can delete, they can add, so they have all the privilege. So here you have gypsum installation, tiling and terrazzo, kitchen, cabinet and wardrobes. Also they have door fitting and frames. They do wooden flooring. Also they do painting and do landscaping, laminates and SPG installations. They do plasterings also, a lot, plumbing, electrical work, electrical fence. Also they do CCTV installation, a lot. They do a lot. So these are the services they have. As you can see here, the way for ordering is via WhatsApp, and if you click on this WhatsApp, you will be redirected to WhatsApp, and you see this message is automatic here. You will just click send when you are directed to WhatsApp. So when you click send here, it will say, hello, I'm interested in tiling and terrazzo services. Can you provide more information? Then now, that is how the conversation is start, and Juma will get back to you in no time. Okay, so here we have the contact page also. See, the contact page work like the request code page also, but this one has limited information, so it doesn't have more of the information, like more input fields, I mean, like the request code form. So this one is just more of inquiries and also communication, just like that. And the submission work the same way the request code work. They are submitted to the database, the admin gets notification, and the admin replies back within 24 hours. to the person who has submitted the form. So here you can see this blog post also, blog page I mean. So you can see there are some blogs here. See here, you can read the blogs, you can like, see, you can also share by WhatsApp or LinkedIn or any. See? So here, this is it, and also this is a single sub. So you can go back to the blog page here, blog page. Okay. Alright, here we have the gallery page. This page consists only pictures and some titles, and yeah, currently they still have only 2-3 images posted. See, I really like how it is. Also you have the newsletters. These newsletters also, if you want to communicate via email, you can use these. If you want to communicate via phone calls, you can call this, or you can use WhatsApp. As you can see, this link here is for the developers who did this website. When you click on it, it will take you to my portfolio website, and this is reactech.co.ke. As you can see here, we have a very strong H1 title. Okay, you can see here our services: custom web development, mobile app development, website migration and management. We do manage website, also with custom code website. See, so this one, responsive design, this custom code, custom web development, it includes the use of frameworks and other website tools, but not CMS like WordPress and other drag and drop website development. No, we don't use those ones. Also, this is for mobile application. I use Flutter, but I have included these ones here because for some specification, client might need a specific language, maybe Kotlin, Swift, or React Native. But I mostly use Flutter because it is one code base and it provides both iOS and Android. So I think it is easier to use. It is easier to use Flutter than the rest of the frameworks. Also do website migration from WordPress to custom coded website. Also do this SEO preservation and things as the website was. Also we do SEO and digital marketing. Yeah? You can see the services here. This is the services that we offer. Also we have the portfolio. This is my portfolio page. You can see a very simple introduction here. Also here, what we offer, me and my team, we do offer a lot of services. Even some of the services are not included here. And also here, these are the projects that I have done and I have included on my portfolio. See, this is the recent one, which is the interior designs, modified interiors. I mean, I like interior designs. Okay, here we have the contact. This is my phone number, this is my email, also this is contact form. Also, okay, you can see the about page. Okay, let's use incognito to see this. Okay, you can see we have this blocked. Okay, we have this block page. I have this all block. I've written on this block. See, this one is for parenting, tips to parenting, technology, and having kids. Okay. This one is table of content. and jump to section you want to see.